Hey, what's up? How you doing? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you are over there. And I want to say happy new year to you. If you are watching this video. All right. So today in this video, we're gonna be looking at how you can build a 3D game using a mobile phone. Seems crazy, right? All right. So let's just dive into it. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, subscribe, and share. This will help us in providing more videos. All right. So basically, the purpose of me creating videos on my phone application is to encourage people that you can do anything on your phone. So I know if you're interested in game development, this will push you to it. So for us to get started, the application we're gonna be using is wait, before we start, let's just search for out game maker. Let's see if you can see anyone. Alright. Okay, so we have some applications. So let's take a look at the pictures. This is not okay. So basically, you can see applications that you can go ahead and build, but this is not what you're going to be using. For this tutorial, you're going to be using an app called Struct. So Struct is a 3D game, so it lets you build 3D games easily. Alright, so you can play thousands, you can share your games for people to play. It's very amazing. So you can see the reviews like they are 5 star, 4 star, so it's actually nice. So let's just go ahead and install it. So it is installing. I'm gonna pause the video, then I'll get back to this. Alright, so it has installed already. This is it right here. So just gonna click on it. Make sure data connection is on. So allow. So basically, this app doesn't work often, and you need an account to be able to work with it. So let's just go ahead and create an account. I'm just gonna put my mail and a password. Seems I have a mail with this. I'm not sure I remember my password. Yeah, I can't remember my password. Ah, I remember. So I'm just gonna save this. Alright. So now you can see this is Struct. It has games, lot of games. So let's I want to take a look at this. You can see this is a very nice game. Let's check the comments. You can see. So let's just go ahead and hit play and see what will happen. Okay, it is loading. It's loaded the assets. Wow, 230 assets. This is gonna be a nice game. So let's go ahead and so gonna look at how this works in. We're gonna go ahead and creating our own. So basically let's just wait for this. So I'm just gonna pause this and get back to this later. So right now it has loaded finish. So it's telling me to choose my avatar. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this dude there. Then let's start the game. Wow, this is nice. Oh, it's an online multiplayer game. Wow. So let's just keep going. Wow. Wow. This is not bad. This is actually good. Oh, damn. I was destroyed. Oh. Oh. From where? What the? Oh, shit. Damn. This is bullshit, man. Bullshit. I have 3 lives now. Oh. Seems I keep getting on the enemy and. Oh, no. And I'm just gonna keep shooting. Come my way, I shoot the fuck out of you. Sorry for the foul language. There you are. Yes, I killed him. So basically it seems nice. I'm just gonna quit. Alright, so you can see struck makes you create beautiful and amazing game. It's a that game was sweet, dope, and you can see it's an online multiplayer game. So let's just dive into building our own. Right, so just gonna create this build. So in this case, we are not gonna be building anything from scratch. We are gonna be working with templates. So just gonna click on this template. So we are gonna look for templates to use. Alright, so you can pick anyone you want. So I'm just gonna make use of I'm gonna make use of this city razor. So this is loaded the asset. Again, I'm gonna pause and get back. Alright, amazing. I have my first screen loaded already. Let me see if I can rotate this. Alright, good. So I can rotate this. Alright, so let's get started. Navigating through it. I think this is my car right here. So this is the player. Alright, so we're gonna select this as this player. So we can go ahead and create actually more cars. So I'm just gonna create more car in this place. So this one is gonna be no, you're not gonna be talking with the car. Do car talk? No. So this is gonna be team red. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it. So just go to the straight road. Alright, so yes, so this should be it. Alright, nah, we don't need this. Okay, we can undo, so that is from undo. Okay, we can put rocks on the road. Can put it right there. So no, let's just try and play it. You can see. So this is our player here. You can see the stone is not allowing me to move, so we've lost already. So quit. Let's remove this stone. Okay, we don't need, so delete this. No. So this is what's supposed to delete here. I'm not getting this. Okay, so delete this. Then I want this one to move on its own, so this is not going to be the player. It's going to be on team blue. Resume. Let's go back, select this. Alright, so earth point, engine power, so everything seems nice. Alright, so let's go back and test this again. It's still not moving by itself, so but let's just take a look at this. Alright, so this is nice. There's a timer there, so we have to do everything before the time goes out. Help me. I am stuck, I can't go anywhere. Alright, so that's it. We still need to move this car. I don't know how, so what if I put it on the game and I play it? Okay, now you can choose the one to use. So I'm using the blue car. Alright, so this is just a city game. It does not have I think it does not have auto the enemy AI because of the environment we choose. Wow, this is beautiful, man. Nice. You can see the car left. Exactly. So this is nice. You can also make it a multiplayer game. Alright, so that is why there's plenty of it here. So this seems right. So next we're gonna do is just let's save this as draft. Okay, so we resume this and let's just we can add material here, so you can search for it. You can put a gun. But do you use gun in car? No, we don't use that, so we don't need this. Let's just quit this. Alright, so after quitting this, then our game should be under the draft games. So you can see it right there. So if you want to load it up, you can click on it. Everything will be loaded, right? So this is it here. It's be loaded. So it's gonna load again. I'm not gonna waste time for this. So basically, that's just how you can build a amazing game using your mobile phone. So don't let that stop you from building it. You can do what you want to do. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial. If you love this stuff, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.